Boxes. You're gonna vacuum up my smartphone? Whoa, this is crazy. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Nathan, this is Royal Masters. Yes, the channel that does all the crazy raw vacuum reviews. Alright, so, hope you guys are having a great day. Yeah, it's weird. When I say that, people like hi. Oh well. So, I'm having a great day. Thanks for asking. Well, we got something very, very special, so let's check it out. Well, first of all, this is a very plain box. So, what do I think about plain boxes? Yep. Plain boxes go down there. I kind of wish they added color to the boxy thing, but sad day, there's no color to their box. It's just a plain old cardboard box with some writings and pictures. So hopefully they improve that. Alright, so here's everything that's included. This is the Lefant M571. Yeah, I think I have a silver one. Yeah, look at that. I got silver, black, red. Yep, okay, this is a silver one. So 571 looks like it has app control, has a special handy remote, and it has a mopping system. Is it? How do I open this up? Does this thing open up or is it? This is electronically controlled, and from the look of it, I think it only does vacuuming or mopping. You can't do both simultaneously, but I'll definitely check that out. Okay, so it looks like it's very easy to fill up the water reservoir. Also, to slap in the mopping pad, it's very similar to other robot vacuums, and the robot will announce that it's ready to go. So with the Lefant, you have 3 different water levels, which is on par with more expensive robot vacuums, but you also have 2 different cleaning patterns. There's back and forth cleaning pattern, or you have a random option. So here's a couple things I noticed. You can't do a vacuum and mopping at the same time. You have to swap out the dustbins. Also, there's no active carpet detection like on the EcoVacs, so make sure you block off the carpet areas or the robot will try to mop your carpets. Alright, let's see how well the M571 did about half the kitchen, and keep in mind that these mopping systems are designed for light mopping tasks, so don't expect them to do like stubborn dirt and grime, but for picking up light dust and debris, they're okay. Come on, get this open. I can't get it. I may need to get some pliers or something. Cleaning tool that kind of sits up here. Let's get this guy opened up. Whoa, look at this. Ooh, fancy. You got the power button right there. Looks like we got scheduling on the robot. That's actually really cool. Let's press that.
Please hold down for 2 seconds to set the daily cleaning time. Schedule cleaning is set successful. I will start the auto cleaning at this time every day.
What? How do you know what time it is? Are you like a magical robot? That's crazy.
Yeah. Don't underestimate the power of magical unicorns and robot vacuums.
Okay, and then this is like some kind of spot clean function. Clean?
Standard cleaning mode. Strong suction cleaning mode. Strong suction.
Whoa!
Strong suction.
Whoa!
Strong suction.
Whoa! You're gonna vacuum up my smartphone? Whoa, this is crazy. Yeah, just clean up your side brushes. What are you doing there, bro? Come on, man.
Plus the cleaning.
Yeah, that's very interesting. So, what's unique about this robot vacuum, which I haven't seen before, is there's no physical bumper. So, one thing that Lefant likes to showcase is their FreeMove 2.0 technology. I did try this technology on their other robot vacuums, and it did a really good job not getting stuck. So, this is one scenario where most robot vacuums get hung up, especially like the Roblox, where they get wedged under a piece of furniture, or in this case, my dishwasher. So, we'll see how well the M571 does. Wow, that was actually pretty cool. Good job. Looks like we got 2200 pascals, we got Wi-Fi, works with Alexa and Google, and we got 3 hours of battery life. Wow, that's just some really long battery life. You got the giant dustbin. This thing's what, like 800 milliliters, 600 milliliters? Huge dustbin. Very cool. Nothing too crazy. Got your front wheel caster, charging contacts, infrared clip sensors, dual side brushes. Huge fan of that because with dual side brushes, it can get debris from both the left and right side of the robot. Very nice. Here's a extractor bar. It's not a combo style. It actually has just bristles, no silicone as well. But take a look at that extractor bar. And yes, I have been running the robot and you can see that there's always some hair. But if I can ever get that clean tool out, I could just cut it off. So very cool. And then your adjustable wheels. One thing to know is these wheels are kind of small. So hopefully it doesn't have trouble getting over different types of thresholds. Very nice. Alright, let's see if I can get this guy back together. It's perfect. So yes, this is the Lefant M571. So I'm excited to try this out. One unique feature is you can see there's actually like a time of day. You actually can schedule on certain days. So very cool. Where most systems you can only schedule once per day. This could actually go Monday through Sunday, so very awesome.
Random cleaning mode. Standard cleaning mode. Strong suction cleaning mode.
Yeah, I like the strong suction cleaning mode. Thank you. That's so helpful.
Start the auto cleaning. Low suction. Medium suction. High suction.
Okay, so you didn't see that tea bottle fall, so I'll go ahead and edit that out, so you saw nothing there. So the Lefant is very similar to the Roomba, start with the back and forth cleaning pattern, and you can see that without that physical bumps, and it's kind of aggressive, kind of moving around the chair legs, but we'll see how well this little guy does around the edges, and it seems like it was able to get most of the dirt and debris. So I did find that the Lefant did a good job around the baseboards, was able to keep a couple millimeters away from them, so it optimized the efficiency of the dual side brushes. Also, they didn't spin crazy fast on like some robot vacuums, Pacinic M7 Pro and Roomba i7. Sorry, I had a cough. Anyways, it did a good job doing its back and forth clean pattern. There's also a random pattern, which I'll show later on in this video, but let's see how well it does docking back to station. Okay, let's see how well this little sucker does. Okay, so it looks like it was able to grab up that debris, was able to push that one out of the way, suck up the powder, and looks like we're good to go. Seems like my floors are shiny clean now. What's going on there, buddy? You don't want to vacuum up my rubber mat? Yeah, I don't blame you. I don't know where this mat's been. Anyways, that's one downside to the Lefant is I believe the clip sensors are a little too sensitive, so they're actually activating once the robot starts to go up that little ledge. So hopefully Lefant can push an update to kind of decrease the sensitivity, and this robot vacuum should have no problems go onto this rubber mat. Okay, so yes, this is the infinite chair leg challenge. Yeah, I know it's super complex, and most of these robot vacuums fail and explode. I'm just kidding. Alright, so the Lefant has this little pile in front of it, so we'll see how well it does. And yes, I didn't make this mess, it was someone else. I'm not going to point any fingers, but whoever made this mess, please come forward because I don't like messy floors. Anyways, the Lefant was able to pick up most of the debris, and I like the dual side brush system because if it pushes it on one side, it was able to capture the debris with the other side brush. So hopefully other robot vacuum manufacturers like Roblox can take notes and provide a dual side brush system. Alright, so just let the robot do its thing. It's just going to continue with its back and forth clean pattern. And if you're not looking, it may get on that robot mat. Wow, that's just mind blowing. Alright, so once the job's done, it's just going to go ahead and return back to its docking station.
Random cleaning mode.
So if you have a small area like this or like a small bathroom, I do recommend the random clean mode. I do like the fact that the Lefant does provide 2 clean pads, so that's a nice feature. I'm surprised that more expensive robot vacuums don't have the option. They just do the systematic smart clean pattern, but it would be nice to have a random pattern. So let's basically talk about what I think about it. I think the Lefant's okay. It is a little aggressive on like the furniture. Also, I found out it did struggle with the rubber mat. You can see that it really can't get on there. I think that's just due to the clip sensors. Also, the robot vacuum did a good job picking up most of the dirty material I threw at it. And you also have app integration, so you can hook up this with Alexa and Google as well and control more features of the robot vacuum. So let's see how much this guy picked up. Oh, looks like it picked up a fair amount. Also the powder, kind of show you here. Well, if you happen to stumble upon my video and you're a subscriber, well, thanks so much. Really helps out my channel and this video. Also, if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Nathan. This is Royal Masters. I do cover a lot of head-to-head challenges, reviews, unboxings of vacuums. Also, I do live streams, so if you have any questions, check out my live streams. I try to answer questions you guys answer in those streams. So, my thoughts on the M571 is it's a fairly good basic vacuum. Have a lot of features like the app control, Alexa, Google support. Also offers live mapping, which is kind of strange for a gyroscope vacuum, but that's a nice feature. The biggest downside is it did struggle on the thresholds, so that's just one thing to keep in mind. Well, have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you guys next time.